Magic E. Dear students, today we learn Magic E. Before we learn about Magic E, let us look at the following words: C-A-N, can. Here C is a consonant, A is a vowel, N is a consonant. Thus we can say that C-A-N, can is a CVC word. Now let us add letter E to the CVC word can. What do we get? We get a cane. Can becomes cane. Do you hear the sound of E in cane? No, because E is a magic letter which itself remains silent but changes the sound of the vowel A in can from A to A in cane. Magic E remains silent but makes the vowel before the ending consonant say its own name. For example, kit becomes kite. Here kit becomes kite on addition of magic E. And E in kit becomes I in kite. Some other examples: not becomes note. Mat becomes mate. Hat becomes hate. And pin becomes pine. Hope you understand the magic E. We will meet again. See you next time.